of Portland. And then on Sunday, we are go up a town. If them don't want call it, we are go call it. We are go up a town for Kingston and St. Andrew parish meeting, and that is the deadline for the election. So if Labour don't call it, we are calling because there's no disaster, no reason to delay the election.
They got to go, they got to go. They got to go, they got to go.
In all of my life, I listening to them, and they come with an argument, so them are the first government a campaign for achievement, nothing, no go so. They were about all of them election where PJ run, when him said don't stop the progress. What was he talking about? Them want to take control of the management of the economy. Then why was Peter Phillips named Man of the Year in 2015 if I never him put in the work? In 2016, in 2011, when we were going into the election, the man went there they know, tell lie on him granny and say him I go give him bitter medicine. That's the state that the economy was in. When Mumma P and Dr. Phillips fixed the economy, he come back the other time and promised 1.5 because the economy was now in a better place. The economic management that has stabilized in Jamaica is the child of the People's National Party. No. How you say you are campaigning for achievement, but you're afraid of the people? You know, say if Vybz Kartel went there, he would have said, they coward like dog. And you are running scared, hiding from the people. I hear them say, them not campaign. Then if election due next month and you not campaign, you need to fire somebody. Then they come back and them say them launch them campaign. And since them launch it, they continue to do the same thing with them when I do before. Which means that they were always campaigning. But they are afraid because the momentum is with the People's National Party. And comrades all over Jamaica have said time come for a change. Time come for a better life. Them not build nothing. 9 years going 10 in office. They cannot name one institution that they have built. Not one institution can they name that they have built. Them tell the youngsters them lie. So when PNP was in power for 18 years, we never do nothing. Hold on there. We put in place the National Health Fund. We put in place the Tourism Enhancement Fund. We put in place TPDCO. We put in place the Universal Service Fund. We put in place PART program. We put in place drug for the elderly. And they, who not build nothing, want to say to us that they are the most achieved government. It is a lie from the bottom of the pit of hell. And when we go back to office, we are going to build another institution, the Agriculture Development Fund, because time come now for we stop import food from foreign and put our local farmers to work so they can earn and take care of them family. No. Me can't wait for them start the campaign, you know. May I tell you the truth, me can't wait for them start the campaign. Because we have some argument for leg upon them when the campaign started. No matter what they say. A few years ago, when the young man them did a smoke a spliff, police used to lock them up. They used to get a criminal record. When they got that criminal record, them couldn't go on farm work. They couldn't work with the government. It was an oppressive situation. It is what the Rasta man mean when him up on the corner and him say, the system set against the people. Certain things that were institutionalized to ensure that especially the less fortunate among us were held down by that system. It took Mark Jefferson Golden as Minister of Justice to decriminalize the personal use of marijuana so the police can charge a local youth again for a spliff or a spliff deal or a chalice or whatever him have. That is because of Mark Golden decriminalizing the personal use. He went further to remove that record so that they now can qualify to get these opportunities that are within the society. We are talking about a social justice champion in Mark Jefferson Golden. When we talk about electing a representative to go to parliament, you are electing a legislator, somebody figure deal with laws. You elect them so they can go up there and they can repeal, take off the laws them with a good half of the books. They can change or amend some of them to make them better. And they can introduce new laws to benefit the people of the country. Now, your three candidates, where we are saying go up there, that's the process they're going to participate in. How can the Labour Party have a big old chairman of them party? The third highest or second highest office in a them party, and them party in a government, and the prime minister say you can't be no minister, grow on a back. Well, Western St. Mary, Bobby, we don't want you neither, cause your Labour Party don't want you. So go, leave us alone. If your party does you will reject you, what we are doing with you after we don't love old bro, could you take on the old bro and go on with it? No. Order. Back to Mark Golden. When Mark Golden was the Minister of Justice, he passed over 120 pieces of legislation. We are talking about the Minister of Justice in the country that has passed the most pieces of legislation in a one term in office. Is not no dibby leader, the PNP given to Jamaica. We are talking about a legislative champion. Regular then can't bill come a parliament. When they're ready, we're going to oppress the people. The other day them carry one where them say they are going to tax Airbnb. You can't imagine, man. The average person finally figure out a way to make some tourism dollar. You bill on one extra room for your place, or you buy one extra place, or you make a little money. Here comes these laborites and put them hand in your pocket. And it took Mark Golden that had to tell them to back off and carry this, go fix it up. So, but I make the little Pinocchio, brother. You know what I mean when I say Pinocchio? But I make Pinocchio come and go on like is who can wear fitted jeans and green clocks and that you fi vote for. A leader we are look for. Nobody know there. salute nobody. A leader we want. Somebody with the mental capacity to lead the country. Few years ago, you notice how for my story them start. Few years ago. Once upon a time. We had some students from Jamaica that could not get into medicine in Jamaica because it's a very competitive process. And it's expensive if you don't get the local scholarship spot. They decided to go to Ukraine to study medicine and some other things. Russia and Ukraine start war with each other. And Russia start drop some bombs over Ukraine. When that start happen, you know, the people start fret for their life now, you know, sir. Because you can't write anywhere you're there, one bomb just drop, the people start fret, people nervous. Imagine the parents, I wonder if them pick all right. Pick I wonder if they will make it back home to parents. They reach out to the government, the Labour Party government. And the Labour Party government tell the children that is in a war-torn country where bomber drop, so them fi take a loan to come back home. Pitney when I work must take loan in order to leave one place where bomber drop. Mark Golden, who is in opposition, therefore he doesn't have access to taxpayers' money, went into his personal account, and I know 28 of them him have, and him go in there and take out the money and send for the students and carry them home back to Jamaica to them family. Understand the leader that you have. When the Prime Minister went to Parliament and said him I go throw off poor people off a land, and him go over Portmore with bulldozer and take him lit down the woman's house, and then him serve notice to people and other piece of government land where they get from Michael Manley time in the 70s. It took Mark Golden to go over there and get Isaac Buchanan and make them know, say, injunction that if we stop, you can't throw poor people off on the land. Anybody in St. Mary live one piece of land where you don't have a title for yet? Nobody get up at daytime and peep through your window one day flavor go and give you notice. Vote them out so that Mark Golden can get in office and give you the title to that piece of land.